Using a VPN on your TV lets you unlock more streaming content, protect your privacy, and even bypass geo-blocks. Hey, and welcome again. In this video, I'll show you how to use VPN on your TV. This easy guide will help you get set up in no time. Let's get started. First, let's ask the most important question to understand the matter more. Can I install VPN apps directly on my smart TV? Well, some smart TVs, especially the ones that run on Android TV OS, let you install VPN apps directly from the Google Play Store. If your TV runs on Android TV OS, just open the Google Play Store and search for the Seed For Me VPN app, install it, launch the app, and connect to the VPN location you prefer. That's it. No extra setup is needed. This is one of the biggest advantages of having an Android TV, native support for VPN apps right out of the box. Now, if you're using a non-Android smart TV, like Samsung, LG, Vizio, Hisense, or any other TV that doesn't run Android TV OS, you'll need to use one of the following methods to set up a VPN for streaming. Let's get started. Option 1. Use a Smart DNS, alternative option, but it's not a VPN. One easy way to bypass geo-restrictions on a smart TV is by using Smart DNS. With Smart DNS, you can change your TV's DNS settings to access streaming services from different regions. Unlike a VPN, Smart DNS doesn't encrypt your internet traffic or hide your IP address, so it won't provide privacy or security. But because there's no encryption, streaming speeds are usually faster. The setup is simple. Just enter the DNS addresses provided by your Smart DNS provider into your TV's network settings. Option 2. Set up a VPN on the router. For those looking for a permanent VPN solution, setting up a VPN on a router is a great choice. This method forces all devices connected to the router, including the smart TV, to go through the VPN. This is particularly useful for households where multiple devices need a VPN connection. However, not all routers support VPNs, so users may need a VPN-compatible router, such as Asus, Netgear, or TP-Link, or install custom firmware like DDWRT or OpenWRT to enable VPN functionality. While this method ensures that all internet traffic is encrypted and routed through the VPN, it can be slightly complex to set up and may reduce internet speeds depending on the router's processing power. Also, it may not work if you're in a region where VPN are restricted. Option 3. Share a VPN connection from a PC or Mac. One of the simplest and most effective ways to use a VPN on a non-Android smart TV or TV box is by sharing a VPN connection directly from your computer. Both Windows and macOS support this feature, allowing you to connect to a VPN on your computer and then share that connection with your TV. On Windows, you can enable a mobile hotspot to share the VPN over Wi-Fi or connect the TV directly using an Ethernet cable. On Mac, VPN sharing is possible via Wi-Fi, but only if your Mac is connected to the internet using Ethernet, due to macOS limitations. This method is great because it doesn't require a special router or any extra hardware, making it a convenient option for most users. Just keep in mind, the computer needs to stay on and connected to the VPN whenever the TV is in use. We've already covered how to set this up on both Mac and Windows. Check the links in the description for step-by-step guides. Option 4. Use an external Android TV box, a good alternative. Since popular TV brands like Samsung, LG, Hisense, and Vizio don't support VPN apps directly, a practical solution is to use an external Android TV box. Devices like the Amazon Fire Stick, NVIDIA Shield, Xiaomi Box, Micool, or Chromecast with Google TV support the Google Play Store, which means you can easily install a VPN app right on the device. Once connected to your TV via HDMI, everything streamed through the Android TV box will be encrypted and routed through the VPN, giving you both access and protection. This is an excellent choice for users who stream from apps like Netflix, Hulu, or Disney Plus and want to maintain their VPN security. In short, there are several ways to get a VPN working on your TV. The best method for you will depend on your specific setup. If you have an Android TV, the easiest way is to install a VPN app directly. For those who don't have an Android TV, setting up a VPN on your router is the most comprehensive, covering all devices on your network. Other alternatives include using Smart DNS, sharing the VPN connection from a PC or Mac, or using an external Android TV box. Choose the method that best fits your needs to unlock a world of content and enhance your streaming privacy. Thanks for watching.